Hi children, in today's class we are going to see Unit 3 Secret of Success. So in that prose, the struggling star. The struggling star. So struggling means putting effort. Okay, the struggling star. Farhan and his father are reading the newspaper, the favorite part of his morning. He gets up, brushes his teeth, drinks his milk and sits with his father to read the news every day. So who are all having the habit of reading the newspaper, children? So it's a nice habit, good habit, isn't it? So reading newspaper is a good habit. See, Farhan, a small boy, and his father are reading the newspaper morning. So Farhan, he gets up, brushes his teeth, so finished all the morning work and all. So he is ready to read the newspaper with his father. So Farhan is asking Abu. So he's calling his father Abu. Abu, what is this YOUNG Leaders Award? Since he is a small boy, so he is spelling like this YOUNG. What is this YOUNG Leaders Award? So his father is telling it is Young Leaders Award. It is Young Leaders Award. It is given to only 17 people from around the world every year. It recognizes the effort they have taken to make the world a better place. So what he is asking, what is this Young Leaders Award? So his father is telling it is Young Leaders Award. So award which is given to a young one. It is given to only 17 people all around the world. So it recognizes. So I கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது how the effort they have taken to make the world a better place. So who and all, how many of them are taking the struggle recognizes. How many of them are taking effort to make the world a better place? So Farhan asking, wow, only 17. I am so proud that an Indian has got this award. So he's reading news. Okay. So young Indian has got this award. So father, do you know why he got it? So father is asking, அவங்க எதுக்கு அதுக்காக வாங்கினாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு தெரியுமா? He is asking. Farhan, no. Can you please tell me? So father is explaining about, I am happy that you asked. It is very important to not only be proud when we see or hear such news, we should also. So we should not hear that news also. Okay, but we have to take the effort. See what? Farhan, learn from it. Yes, Abu, I remember this. So father telling, very good. Karthik is a technologist who has not let his disability stop him from learning. So Karthik, so this boy 17 years old, he is going to get Young Leaders Award. So Karthik is a technologist. Technologist means தொழில்நுட்ப வல்லுனர். டெக்னாலஜி தொழில்நுட்பம் சொல்வோம். டெக்னாலஜிஸ்ட் தொழில்நுட்ப வல்லுனர். So Karthik is a technologist who has not let his disability stop him from learning. So he is a disability person. So disability means கொஞ்சம் குறைபாடு இருக்கிறது, அவங்கள தான் நம்ம disability person அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். So what is a disability? Not only that, he has empowered other people with disabilities to be successful IT engineers. So not only that, he also has empowered. So empowered means அதிகாரம் அளிக்கிறது. So ஒருத்தவங்களுக்கு நம்ம அதிகாரம் அளிக்கிறது, that is empowered. So he is also empowered other people with disabilities to be successful IT engineers. There are many IT engineers. What disability? So Farhan is asking, what disability? Disability means what? So father, see, Karthik is blind. Let me tell you the story of his childhood. So he started explaining about Karthik's story. Karthik studied in Delhi Public School in New Delhi. He was a smart and bright student. So Karthik is a smart and bright student. Karthik did well in all subjects, but he liked science the most. So what is the favorite subject, children? Science. So Karthik's favorite subject is science. Everything was good for Karthik till his 10th standard. So till 10th standard there was no problem. Everything was good. So after scoring full marks in 10th standard public exam, Karthik wanted to study science in 11th and 12th standard. So he also got good marks only in 12th 10th standard public exam, but Karthik wanted to study 11th and 12th also science only. I'm sure he got it. He got full marks in 10th exams. So all so he got full marks in 10th exams. So he wanted to study science only in 11th and 12th standard. But see what happened. No, so father is telling no. Actually, the government rule in Delhi did not allow blind children to study science after 10th standard. So since Karthik is blind, he is not allow. Okay, he's not allowing to study the science after 10th standard. So about the Delhi government rule. So in Delhi government rule, they are not allowing blind children to study after 10th standard science subject. I do not think that's fair. Everyone should be able to study what they like. So Farhan is telling this is not fair. This is not nice. So everyone should study what they like. So father, see, this is what Karthik also felt. He loved science and he wanted to study that. He refused to let his disability come in the way. So he did not don't want to give up. Okay, see what he's done. He challenged the government and he held campaigns to get permission. So he challenged the government. And he started studying the 11th and 12th science. Finally, after 9 months, he got permission to study science. So from various campaigns and all, he got permission. So campaigns means pracharam pandrathu. Pracharam panni. So he got selected. So after 9 months only, he got permission to study science. So not only that, he made sure that all blind students have permission to study science if they want. So not only for Karthik, he started pracharam panna. Campaigns means pracharam panna aarambishtaanga. What? So every children must study science. If they also disabled person also should get அங்கீகாரம் அடிக்கணும் அவங்களுக்கு சரிங்களா. So he started make sure that all blind students also should get permission to study science what they want. So Farhan, wow, 9 months is so long. I'm sure I would have given up. So 9 months is so long. 9 months, after 9 months only he got permission to study science. So 9 months is so long. Father, change takes time, Farhan. We should work hard and be patient if we want to see change happen around us. Like Karthik was the first blind student in India to study science. So Karthik is the first student in India to study the science. So Farhan asking, what did Karthik do after that? So Karthik's dream and passion were never limited. So dream and passion means perarvam. So what is your passion? If asking means what you will tell? My passion is to study in an IIT, to become an engineer. So you'll tell no. So same, Karthik's passion was never limited. His dream and passion. Perarvam. His love for science helped him get more than 95% in his 12th board exam. So he loved science subject the most. So அதனால் அவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்க 95% வந்து மார்க் வாங்கினாங்க in 12th board exam. His dream was to study in an IIT. So IIT, it is Indian Institute of Technology, a big institute. So exams and all will be conducted in IIT. So many students will learn IIT, okay, to study in the IIT. If you write the test only, you will get a seat in the IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. It is a big institute, famous. So IIT is one of the best colleges in our country. So it is one of the most famous college in our country. I want to study in an IIT too. So Farhan is also telling him, I want to study in an IIT too. Father is telling, good, but only if you want to study science. Every subject has different best colleges. So only if you want to study science, you will get an IIT. So every subject is also important and you also get a best colleges. We will talk about that some other day. So Father is telling, we will talk about some other day. Next, so as I was saying, he wanted to study in the IIT, but none of the 16 IITs in India enrolled him. See, he wanted to study in an IIT. It is the best colleges in India, but none of the 16 IITs in India enrolled him. So he is not getting seat. See what again? Farhan asking. Yes, Karthik was sincere and learnt well. He was also very good at science, but our colleges did not recognize his talent and treated him unfairly. ஸோ ரொம்ப அவங்கள ஃபேராக நடத்தலை கார்த்திகா சின்ஸ் he was blind. Then did he change their mind too? So the Farhan asking, so he is changed mind. Yes, he did. After many months, he made the colleges open their doors to blind students. This helped nearly 15 blind students to study engineering in these colleges. So after Karthik worked hard, he opened colleges for blind students. Okay, so nearly 15 blind students studied in that colleges engineering. He must be a strong person. Yes, he is strong. He is strong in his beliefs and learnings. He is strong in the effort he puts. What do you think he did after that? So father is asking, he believes in his everything, okay, in learning. He is strong in the effort he puts. What and all the effort he is making, he is good. He is strong. He must have studied in the IIT. No, he did not. He got an admission to study at Stanford University in the USA. It is one of the best colleges in the world. He went there and studied computers. So after many colleges recognized his talent and he got admission to study at Stanford University in the USA. See, it is a big university. It is one of the best colleges in the world. So he went there and studied computers. So Farhan telling, amazing. He also started 2 more companies that aim at helping children with disabilities reach their full potential. So then also he started 2 companies. So after learning from Stanford University, he started 2 companies. So giving opportunity to the blind or the disabilities person to fulfill their potential. So potential means ஆற்றல் மிக்கவர்கள். He believes that education and technology are important to ensure children learn and sustain themselves. So sustain means நீடித்திருக்கிறதுக்கு. So education is very very important as well as to learn the technologies. He says that he will try for many more months and years to come to make sure that all the 130 crore people reach their full potential. So he wanted all the people, all the disabilities to fulfill their potential. Farhan, he is inspiring. I will also work hard and achieve my dreams, even if I don't always have the support I need. So Farhan also wanted to achieve his dream. Father, very good. If we work hard, there will always be support for us. So sometimes the support comes from outside, but many times it comes from within us. Now go get ready. It is time to go to school. Yes, Abu. So father is giving advice. See, if we work hard, there will always be support for us, even from outside as well as from the inside. At our home also, our father and mother itself will support us, isn't it? So if you work hard. So but many times it comes from within us. So you should believe in your dreams. You should believe. So what you are going to do. Okay. So you should never give up, children. You must try. So what is your aim? What you want to achieve in your life? So you must try everything. So you should put effort to realize that dream, to fulfill your dreams. Thank you, children.